Hello there guys, Francis Gray here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing one of these Citadel Skull accessory packs to go along with your Warhammer Age of Sigmar or your Warhammer 40,000 or 40k minis. I'll see you after this. Okay guys, so this is a brand new box, not opened, and I bought it brand new from my local boys for £14.88. So I don't know what that is in USD, but I'll make a pop-up on the video right now once I do a calculation. So what is this exactly? Well, basically it's a box full of various little skulls of all different kinds of races from the world of both 40k and Warhammer Age of Sigmar. So most notably we have human skulls. Actually, it shows you on the back. So there's 340 skulls involved inside. So we've got one big huge skull here, and then we've got various other different races, everything from orcs and demons, etc. And then we've got some on the smaller scale. We've got various human skulls, we've got jawbones, we've got skulls with holes in them, alien skulls, cyclops skulls, orc skulls, demonic skulls, all kinds of stuff. So as you can see there, so it looks like there's quite a lot of skulls in here. So that gives you the basic idea of what you can do with these. And on the other side it's just warning, choke and hazard and all that. So let's go ahead and open this one up. Okay guys, so there's nothing else inside. So let's have a look at this. So you have 4 sprues inside, and each one is chock full of loads of highly detailed but yet very small little skulls. So a bunch of human looking skulls on the bottom there. Yep, and then we've got some demonic skulls in the middle, and then on the top there more human skulls, and we've also got some kind of like cyclops creature skulls. So yeah, I'm fairly new to the world of Warhammer, so I'm learning as I go, so forgive me if I don't know exactly what species each one is to. So this sprue here is just of human skulls. So yeah, I have to admit, everything that I've seen on Games Workshop so far is very small but very highly detailed. I'm very impressed with the amount of detail that they managed to capture in all these. Yeah, especially with like those something smaller skulls, because I've been told that that Games Workshop used to struggle with skulls in the past. So if that's true or not, I don't know. If it is, let me know in the comments below. But that's just what a friend told me once. So yeah, so sprue number 3. So I think that kind of looks like don't really know what that is, like a demon skull of some kind. And then we've got like some alien head things, and then these are obviously orc skulls, and then I think these are those I forgot what they call them, but they're like alien reptilian creatures. So same again, once again, please don't get mad that I don't know. I'm only a noob at Warhammer. So this one's probably the most intricate and interesting. So got a big skull right there at the front. And this is obviously the underside of it. And then the rest of it is all lovely, lovely alien type skulls. Okay guys, so that's basically it all in a nutshell. So lots of detail on this, lots of intricate parts to paint, so I'm looking forward to using some of these in some of my future Warhammer builds. So yeah, so if you have enjoyed this quick look at review, please hit the like button, share on Facebook and Twitter, because helps new people find the YouTube channel, which I'm always appreciative. Thank you for any help. If you have any comments, comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscription button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future builds. So once again, I'm Francis Gray, and this is a quick look at unboxing review of the Citadel Skulls Box Set. I'll see you in the next build.